At SiennaSinks.com, we are proud to offer top-quality designer undermount sinks at wholesale prices. Our sinks are a perfect addition to any high-end stone countertop, such as granite, marble, quartz, or concrete in any style or decor. SiennaSinks.com offers over 25 different styles and sizes of sinks to fit whatever your application requires. Whether you need a single bowl, double bowl, or triple bowl sink, you will find it here. With brushed satin finishes on 18 and 16 gauge steel, our stainless steel sinks are beautiful and elegant and are made to withstand the test of time. We use only 304 series certified stainless steel in all our products. Your countertops will last a lifetime, and so should your sink. For a uniform look to accentuate your kitchen, we also offer matching designer faucets and accessories. Our custom value pack builder lets you add matching items to the sink of your choice. And every item you add to the value pack brings additional discounts to your sink and the accessory as well. Why waste your money on an expensive department store sink that costs twice the price? Our efficiency in marketing, business, and logistics gives us the ability to offer you high-end products at low prices and ship them to your door for free. SiennaSinks.com makes ordering quick, easy, and secure. And if you have any questions, feel free to call us. Our staff has decades of experience in the solid surface countertop industry, and we would love to answer any questions you might have about your project and installation. At SiennaSinks.com, we are proud to offer top-quality designer undermount sinks at wholesale prices.